In this video we are talking about if Fetch.AI continues the bullish momentum to the upside or if we see a retracement to lower levels. As you can see, we are having this strong bullish momentum on the weekly time frame, and we saw the move into the supply zone, and we are seeing this rejection now right here. As we have a deeper look on the weekly candles, we can see that we had this strong bullish momentum right here. Then we found some rejection, saw this bearish candle, but we also saw this wick closed bearish, and right now we saw this wick going under the last candle, and these candlesticks are looking quite bullish because we took some liquidity under this lows, and if we are closing now here or even higher, then the chance is high that we can see an explosion for Fetch and higher prices. And as we go on the daily chart, you can see we have this clear bullish trend right here with higher highs and higher lows. And right here we built this range. We had our range high right here, tested it once, but we didn't saw the daily body close over this range high, so we took a rejection right here. And here we have this range low, and we don't broke this range low to the downside. So I think the chance is high that this range will decide if we are going to the upside or to the downside. And I think the chance is higher that we are going to the upside because, as I said, we saw this bullish trend to the upside and strong bullish momentum. And right now we don't make a clear lower low. So I go with the trend, and I think the chance is high that we are going to the upside because trends are often holding longer than the most retailers are thinking. And if we are breaking this range high with a daily or weekly body close to the upside, then I think the chance is high that we can see even higher prices. And if we are breaking this supply zone to the upside, then I think the chance is high that we can see a real explosion for Fetch, because right here this zone caused the last bearish move to the downside. So technically this supply zone is very strong, and if we're breaking it to the upside, then we have much space right here, and then the chance is high that we see an explosion to the upside. And if you want to have daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like Fetch, then join my free Telegram group. You will find the link in the description. But of course there's also the bearish scenario. If we are breaking this range low to the downside with a daily or weekly body close, then I think the chance is high that we can see even lower prices. But of course Bitcoin is also very important, because when Bitcoin is going to the upside, the chance that Fetch.AI is also going to the upside is very high. And if Bitcoin is going to the downside, the chance that altcoins like Fetch.AI are also going to the downside is very high. So I think this range will decide if we're going to the upside or to the downside. But if anything interesting happens for Fetch, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on Fetch.AI. So all in all, we saw this bullish explosion to the upside, and we came into this supply zone, and we saw a small rejection right here, but we just saw this small bearish candle right here and this wicks. And with this weekly candle right now, we saw a wick going under the other wicks and then going to the upside, which is a very bullish sign. And as I said, this range will decide if we are breaking to the upside and see even higher prices, especially if we are breaking this supply zone to the upside, or if we see lower prices if we are breaking this range low with a daily or body close to the downside. So this was it for this video. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading, and see you in the next one.